I'm Sergeant Meddy, and this is Safer in 60 Seconds. Today we're going to be talking about pedestrian hybrid beacons. These are traffic control devices that are installed on High Street, at Short Street, the South Village Green, and Stafford Avenue. These traffic control devices are controlled by the Ohio Revised Code, the same as any other traffic control device. For vehicles, that means when the flashing yellow light appears, slow and prepare to stop. When the red light appears, stop behind the stop line. Once the pedestrian is crossed and the light has started flashing red, drivers may proceed through with caution and care. For pedestrians, it's the same as any other intersection that you would cross at. Push the button, wait for the walk sign to activate, and once it's activated, cross with care. Now, you're safer in 60 seconds.